Okay, we're back. And look at that. Sorry, today's Sunday. We did it already. Look at that. Wow, so cool. Hey, let me give some photos.
I'm gonna blow so many holes in you, you're gonna later.
So pretty. Look at this. Is it?
I'm gonna blow so many goddamn
It's like
holes in you, you're
fireflies.
gonna believe the man bush spinning this.
Salamat Hari Raya. Whee! I'm gonna show you something for a while. This is my parrot. Hello. Hey! Why would you do that for? Huh? This. Crazy! Why would you break my tablet? Okay, bye. I'm leaving. Whoa! I got. Wait, did I just teleport? I'm teleport.
Yeah.
I'm gonna teleport right
Technically,
there.
Disney.
What?
Huh? Now wait 48 minutes.
I'm right here. Teleport there again. So, I'm gonna teleport to that swing chair there.
Disney is the best one, dude. What's A is the best? No.
I hope you like this video.
Yeah.
And if the Muslim people are subscribing this video, please subscribe. And I already did the Hari Raya decorations. So bye bye. Next, I don't know if I'm doing anything. So bye bye. This is part 2 also. Bye bye.
See? You Disney. Oh my god, don't have.